out, Resonate!
Happy anniversary! Grabe ka, hugyaw ang atong contingent number 5. Ilang float, oh, grabe ka, colorful. Nanindot. And
The Frog, gwapa kaayo. Of course, Team Cafe ni Ate Seth Rivera from the USA. Shout out diha.
And of course, a big shout out to the BDOOND family na adi na karon watching right now sa atong live. And sa atong mga kaigsunan, team bahay, team live din na. So stay put lang muna. Whole night, whole day.